Hey guys, do you want to learn how to make $100,000 profit on one real estate deal? Do you think it's even possible to do that in today's market? I'm here to tell you it is. People like me are doing it all the time because we just do it. We get out there and we find these deals. I've found that the best deals are the ones that need work. And all these internet programs and algorithms, they sound good, but they don't always find the ones that need work. You have to see them in person. So I'm going to be teaching an all-day class from 9 to 4 at the MSU Center. I'll teach you how to find these hidden market fixer-upper deals with no for sale signs. I'm going to teach you how to do a consistent program to where you will make consistent monthly income doing this. And then I'm going to show you how to write offers, how to negotiate with the homeowners that own these homes, how to say the right words. But contract writing is a gift, and I'll be teaching you that in this Saturday class. What clauses to use to take away your risk, because I know that fear of risk is what's holding you back. I will prove that to you this Saturday, and I will solve that problem. I guarantee that if you come to this class, the very next day you will be out there finding hidden market deals, and you'll know exactly what to do. Those of you that know me know I don't hold anything back. I pour it out like a fire hose. So make plans to be at this MSU Center in Troy, Michigan. Go to www.detroitrea.com, scroll down and look for the Hidden Market banner with Tony Young's, and that's how you can register for this class. Now, this money will continue to produce a return on your investment. You sign up for this class and you'll keep benefiting from the price of that class for years to come. I'm gonna pour it out, so I'll see you there.